please take a look at these designs, all crafted using Canva's AI design technology. In this video, I'll provide you with the necessary guidance. By utilizing the appropriate input, you can not only generate high-quality designs, but also generate income. By implementing a sound strategy, you can transform Canva's AI text-to-image capability into a lucrative side gig or even a full-fledged career. So, let's dive right in. To begin, navigate to canva.com. If you don't have an account yet, click the Sign Up option located in the upper right corner. You can choose to register using your Google, Facebook, or email credentials. Afterward, on the left-hand side of the screen, select Apps and then choose Text to Image. Following that, click on New Design and opt for the Custom Size setting. Enter the dimensions as 2,500 by 3,500 pixels. Now let me elucidate what you're seeing on the screen. On the left side, you'll find a box where you can input your text or prompt. Below that, various styles are available, including options like photo, vibrant, dreamlike, watercolor, and many others. Towards the bottom, you can select the aspect ratio, choosing between square, landscape, and portrait. Now it's time to compose our prompt. Our prompt will encompass elements such as a bike, circular design, retro and vintage style, shirt design, and with a white background. To start, we won't specify a particular style. Instead, we'll opt for a square format and click the Create Your Image button to explore the array of exquisite designs available in Canva. After selecting some designs, we can also create new ones and choose from those options. Subsequently, we can experiment with different styles, like concept art, to see the creative possibilities. The results are impressive, but let's try like fascinating or dreamlike style to enhance our designs even further. Changing the initial keywords such as dog or tiger allows you to generate an endless variety of designs. To ensure the image fits perfectly, you may need to adjust its proportions. Additionally, you can incorporate text if necessary. To download your image, locate the Share button on the right side of the screen and select Download twice, and your image will be ready for use. If you wish to remove the background, simply go to Google and search for background removal. Click on the first link, upload your image, and then click the download option. Now, you have your image without a background. Now, let's explore ways to monetize these images and turn your creativity into earnings. Before we proceed, if you've been enjoying this video, please take a moment to click the like button. Your support motivates me as a content creator to produce more videos like this. Now, let's get back to our topic. We'll be utilizing Etsy, an online shopping platform where individuals can sell both digital and physical products. Etsy is known for its user-friendliness, making it easy to set up your own shop on the platform. In our case, we'll be using Etsy to sell t-shirts featuring our unique designs. Here's how you can get started. Begin by visiting Printify, a print-on-demand website that can take your digital image and print it on a variety of products for you to sell. The best part is that they handle the packaging and shipping to your customers, minimizing your workload. Let's explore how to make the most of this platform and navigate to printify.com and locate the Sign Up button in the upper right corner. Register with your Google account. Now search for a t-shirt product of your choice and click on it. Then, proceed to start designing. Next, go to My Device and upload your picture. Adjust the position of your image, stretch it within the marked frame, and customize the color to your liking. The choice is yours. This is the initial step to turning your creative designs into tangible products that can be sold on Etsy. Stay tuned for further guidance on how to set up your Etsy shop and effectively market your t-shirt designs to start earning money. Once you're satisfied with how your design looks, proceed to the Preview section to get a final glimpse. And when you're ready, click on Save Product. Your main task is to keep creating designs and uploading them to Etsy. If a customer selects your product, Printify will handle the printing and shipping process on your behalf. Here's a valuable tip. Consider diversifying your presence by placing your designs on multiple platforms, such as Redbubble, Teespring, and TeePublic. Moreover, I recommend promoting your products across various social networks like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and more to maximize your reach and potential sales. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. If you've enjoyed this content and would like to see more, please show your support by clicking the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for future updates. Thank you for watching.